Hi viewers and my dear students, welcome to the online classes. First of all, good morning to everybody. Today discuss about that 8th class mathematics, the same topic. I have completed the previous session one part. Now this is a part 2, exponents and powers. Exponents and powers, part 2. Guys, once repeated that the laws of exponent powers are right here. Laws of exponents. These are very important. A power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. The second one, a power of m by b, a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. The third one, a by b whole power of m is equal to a power of m by b power of m. The fourth one, a b whole power of m is equal to a power of m into b power of m. Fifth one, a power of 0 is equal to 1. Sixth one, a power of minus n is equal to 1 by a power of n. The seventh one, a power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of m. These are keep your minds, guys. Now work out that sums. Right, guys. Find the value of question number 1, the page number 88. Find the value of x such that first question 25 into 5 power of x is equal to 5 power of 8. The second one, minus 2 whole power of x plus 1 into minus 2 whole power of 7 is equal to minus 2 whole power of 12. Third one, 1 by 49 into 7 power of 2x is equal to 7 power of 8. Fourth one, 3 power of 6 whole power of 4 is equal to 3 power of 12x. Guys, these all are the important questions. Now, one by one solve it, that's one. First find the x value. Here one variable is there, that says the x value find out. First I write the first question, 25 into 5 power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 8, guys. Guys, here first you are study the sum. In this equation, LHS part and RHS part is there. This is called a LHS part. This is called a RHS part. In this RHS part indicates that exponent terms. See, 5 to the power of 8. In this 5 to the power of 8, base is 5, power is 8. Come to that LHS part. In this LHS part, two terms are there. Under the operation is into, but one is 25, another one is exponent power. If any should be changed, this one is chance it, please that's one change it. 25 you can write, come to rough, 25, 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. Simply you write 5 square. So this once you write that 5 square, don't change that, operating is bring down, 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 8. Guys, here immediately apply that first law of exponent. What is the first law of exponent? A power of m into a power of n, that is equal to a power of m plus n. Put in the box, guys. So here apply that's one, 5 to the power of 2 plus 5 x is equal to 5 to the power of 8. Guys, is it clear here? Actually, LHS are two terms are there. It's become only one term. How it's possible? These are all terms are changed in the base terms. Here 25, I can write 5 into 5. That's when you write 5 square into 5 to the power of x. Now, I can apply that law of first formula, a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. So 5 to the power of 2 plus x is equal to 5 to the power of 8. See guys, LHS part is form of only one term, RHS part form of only one term. In this both between one symbol is that situation you write the bases are equal, exponents also equal. Clear? I write on the blackboard, if bases are equal, then exponents are also equal. So equal, guys, this is keep your mind, base are equals here. See, this base is 5, this base is 5, here operating is equal to, LHS part is a single exponent is there, RHS part is a single exponent is there, the bases are equal. That's why the powers also equal. Simply 2 plus x is equal to 8. 2 plus x is equal to 8. What do you want? What the title heading? Find the value of x. Here x is LHS part. So one more number is there at that side, that is send other one. See, this is plus 2, send that side. Remind what about here? Only x. X is equal to 8 minus 2. X is equal to 8 minus 2 means 6. So x values get in the first one. Is it clear? Now do it the next one, son. Yes, guys. First is verbal. Next one, second question. Question number 2. Minus 2 whole power of x plus 1 into minus 2 whole power of 7 is equal to minus 2 whole power of 12. Very wonderful question. Guys, immediately guess it, which one formula you apply here. First you have studied the sum. LHS but single exponent is there or not? Exponent terms is there or not? If you not there, that's simplification. Okay, see, this is equal to one of the equation, you know that. In this LHS part, this is a LHS part. This one is a RHS part. RHS part the single exponent is there, but in this case not a single exponent is there. So first you are change that single exponent. How? Here the base is a minus 2, this is also minus 2, powers are different, so immediately guess it, which one is belongs to this laws of exponent powers. The first one you guess. Yes, is correct. A power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. Yes, very good, it's very nice. A power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. The same formula applies in this sum. See, guys, minus 2 whole power of x plus 1 plus 7 equal to minus 2 whole power of 12. And now your simplification of the powers, minus 2 whole power of x is a variable, don't touch that one, as it is bring down, plus 1 plus 7, 8 equal to minus 2 whole power of 12. Already just previous sum I have completed. Here bases are the same. That situation you write the exponents are also equal. X plus 8 is equal to 12. Here the base is minus 2, here base is minus 2. That situation you write that x plus 8 is equal to 12. Therefore x is equal to 12 minus 8, x is equal to 4. Sum is over. Which one you find out? The variable you find out. This one is also finished. Next one. Guys, third question. 1 by 49 into 7 power of 2x is equal to 7 power of 8. Guys, this is also equation. LHS part, two terms are there. First you are changing that single term. So in this situation, immediately to identification of the bases. This side base single term is there, the single term base is 7. If it is any possible, just that's terms also change in that base terms. How? Check it, simple. This one 1 by 49. 49 you write 7 into 7. 7 table 2 times you write 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. That means simply you write 7 square. So 1 by 7 square into 7 to the power of 2x is equal to 7 to the power of 8, guys. Okay, guys, see here you guess it immediately, this which one law of exponent is belongs to this one, 1 by a power of n. What is the 1 by a power of n? A power of minus n. Same logic apply here, 7 power of minus 2 into 7 power of 2x is equal to 7 power of 8. That's here the formula 1 by a power of n. 1 by a power of n is equal to a power of minus n. A power of minus 1. The same logic apply in this term. 1 by 7 square, a power of n, a power of minus 1. That's why I write this term in this case 7 power of minus 2. 7 power of minus 2 into 7 to the power of 2x is equal to 7 to the power of 8. Yes, first formula you apply that a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. First formula. So first formula is very important. This formula is including each and every sum. So 7 power of implies 7 power of minus 2 plus 2 power of x, 2x is equal to 7 to the power of 8. Now see, if any simplification, 7 power of minus 2 plus 2x, this is a 2x term, this is a minus 2. This is algebraic expression, this is a constant term. So it's a simplify, it's not possible. Don't change, that's one. Equal to 7 to the power of 8. Here in this case, bases are equal and different. Bases are equal. So exponents are same or different. So exponents are equal. Minus 2 plus 2x is equal to 8. Guys, you want the x value. It's no need. So minus 2 send that side. So what about remaining here? 2x. Bring down. 8 minus 2 that side plus 2. So 2x is equal to 8 plus 2, guys, 10. Therefore x is equal to 2 is multiplication of x. Send that side 10 by 2. How many times is cancelled? 5 times. So x is equal to 5 in this third question. X is equal to 5, the third question. Okay, guys, is it clear? Next question. Yes, the fourth question. 3 power of 6 whole power of 4 is equal to 3 power of 12x. 3 power of 12x. Guys, in this also equation, very good. Here the one term is there, other side is one term is there. But powers are different in this case. First you are, which one formula suitable, you guess it. Yes, last one is seventh one. A power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of mn. Like that's one here I apply that a power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of mn. Put in the box. The same formula here, base is 3. The powers 6 into 4 equal to 3 power of 12x. So 3 power of 6 fours are 24 is equal to 3 power of 12x. Bases are equal. If bases are equal, then the powers also equal. Powers are also equal. So equal. That's why. So 24 is equal to 12x. 24 is equal to 12x. So 12x is equal to 24. 12 here multiplication. Here operating with x, multiplication operating. Send that side, it's divisible. So 24 by 12. How many times is cancel this one? 2 times. So x is equal to 2, guys. X is equal to 2. Okay. Now I do another one. Okay, right, very important sum. Example 9th, page number 88. IMP question, simplify 1/3 whole power of -3 minus 1/2 whole power of -3 divided by 1/5 whole square minus 2. So this is a bracket, this is one, this one. Okay guys, now I do the solution. It's a very complicated sum. You think that one? No, it is very easy sum. First, your calculation of that bracket terms. Bracket terms first you should be simplified. How to you simplify the first bracket term? Which one formula is suitable to easily simplify that one? First you guess it. When you guess it, that's one. That all formulas, keep your minds easily to get it. Come to the point. 1/3 whole power of -3. Here negative power is there. So here one in that bracket one term is there, that is called base according to that exponent powers. First I remove this negative power. How? 1/3 reverse reciprocal 3/1. So that situation -3 immediately change that +3. The same apply here also. See, once again repeated solution 1/3 3 power of -1. Why? Generally here power is a 1. 3 power of -1 whole power of -3 minus here generally power 1. So that's when you write 2 power of -1 whole power of -3 divided by this one power 1 power 5 power of -1 whole power of -2. Okay guys. Right, see, minus into minus plus. Here if you need doubt, just you write this formula. 1/a power of n is equal to a power of -1. Next, a power of m whole power of n is equal to a power of mn. Now see here, apply 3 power of -1 into minus plus 1 3s are 3 minus 2 power of plus 1 3s are 3 divided by 5 to the power of minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. Now 3 power of 3 means this number you can write 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3 minus 2 cube means you write that number 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 5 square. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 minus 3 3s 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 by divided by 5 square means 5 into 5. So 27 minus 8, 19. 5 5s are 25. So 19 divided by 25. Okay guys. Now Right. Important question guys, this one. Example 10th. If x is equal to 3 by 2 whole square into minus 2 by 3 whole power of minus 4, find the value of x power of minus 2. Find the value of x power of minus 2. So, very important this question. First question is if x is equal to 3 by 2 whole power of 2 into 2 by 3 whole power of minus 2. Find the value of x to the power of minus 2. Now I do the solution. Given x is equal to 3 by 2 whole square into 2 by 3 whole power of minus 4. Now you find out that x value. How do you find out the x value? Simplify this one. Yes, your guess it, any formula is suitable this one? Yes, first formula is suitable this one. Sorry, that is wrong. Why? Because here bases are different. Here base is 3 by 2, but here base is a 2 by 3. Bases are different. First you change the bases. See, I do this one 3 by 2 whole power of 2 into, guys see, please observation this step, very important step. 3 by 2 whole power of 4. What is the different distance this step? Yes, actually this step is 2 by 3 is there. I write next step, that is one is a 3 by 2. But in this case the power have minus 4. Minus 4 is there. But in this case the power will be immediately changed plus 4. Now see, your guess is which one formula is like that in this list? The first one. Good. What the first one formula? A power of m into a power of n. A power of m into a power of n formula? A power of m plus. Put in the box. Put in the box. So, in this case, base is 3 by 2. Here base is 3 by 2. That means a value is equal to 3 by 2. A power m. Here a power 2. So, m value is equal to 2. Here n per place, which one value is there? 4. So, n is equal to 4. Here, what did you write that simple form? A power of m plus n. So, x is equal to, so this place I write a value 3 by 2 whole power of, the powers here 2 plus 4. X is equal to 3 by 2 whole power of 2 plus 4, 6. So, you becomes x value. Sum is not bus. What you have find out? X power of minus 2 you will find out. So, that is why already you know that x value. X is equal to 3 by 2 whole power of 6. Put in x to the power of minus 2. That means x place you write 3 by 2 whole power of 6 whole power of minus 2. X value here 3 by 2 whole power of 6. It becomes, say this place you write x value. Don't change the power. The power bring down as it is. Now implies 3 by 2 whole power of 6 to 12. What the sign here? Minus. The sum is over. If your negative power is there, how to change the positive power? Simply, in this base, just you are change reverse 3 by 2. Actually, the base is 3 by 2. Reverse 2 by 3. That situation, this power is E. Automatically, the negative sign is changed that positive sign. Plus 2. Okay, guys? Okay, the sum is over. Next. Okay. If page number 92, ninth question, if m is equal to 3, n is equal to 2, find the value of, first question, a power of m square minus 10 power of n cube. The second question is 2 power of m square n square. Third question is 2 power of m cube plus 3 n square minus 5 m square n. Fourth question is m power of n minus n power of m. Guys, I do 4 sums in this question. I do some sums, remaining sums are homework. Okay. First question I do it. Guys, first you study the question. If m value is 3, n value is equal to, find the values of 9m2 square minus 10m cube. Second one, 2m square n square. Third one, 2 power of m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. Fourth one, m power of n minus n power of m. These values you find out. Given, now I do the solution. Given m is equal to 3, n is equal to 2. First question, 9m square minus 10n cube. Very easily. Just you guess it. M place you write the m value, n place you write the n value. After simplify that one. 9, m place what the value? 3. 3 power of square. 10. This coefficient is 10. Don't change, that's 1. N place you write n value 2 cube. Now 9 don't change, that's 1. 3 square means this base you can write 2 times 3 into 3. Under the operation is multiplication. Minus 10 of 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. Now 9 of 3 3s are 9 minus 10 of 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8. 9 9s are 81 80. So it's become 1. The sum is over. Easy or tough? Very dead easy. Now I do the fourth sum. M power of n minus n power of m. Yes, just simply. That's values are substitution, that's places. Here what that letter is there? M. Already m value is there. Is given the m value 3. Put in this place 3. Here power is n. The power n is power situation. What that's 1? 2. Minus n power of m. So 2 power of e3. Right? This means base here letter is the 3. The number is base is 3. This number you can write 2 times 3 into 3. Minus 2 cube means this base you write that 3 times 2 into 2 into 2. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 9 minus 8, it becomes 1. So fourth question is over. Now I do third question. 2 m power of 3 plus 3m square minus 5m square n. Okay. 2, this place value 3, 3 power of 3 plus 3 power, this value 2, 2 square minus 5 of 3 power square into 2. Yes, just your power, the power notation, this number you write that 3 times. Why? Because the power have 3. That's why the base you can write the 3 times. Plus 3, this what the base? 2, that power is 2 times. 5 of 3 into 3 of 2. So 2 of 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Plus 3 of 2 2s are 4. 5 of 9 of 2. Yes, 2 27s, very good, 54. Plus this one 12 minus, guys see 5 2s are 10. 10 9s are 90. 5 2s are 10. 10 nines are 90. As 54 plus 12, 66 minus 90. Wait guys. Here two numbers are there, but one number is big, one number is small, including the signs also different. This is a minus sign is there, but this is a plus sign is there. So which one is the greatest number? 90 is greatest number. That sign first you write. After that 66 is separated from the 90. So 90 minus 66. It becomes, so 10 times 10 minus 4, here 8 2 minus 24. So how many sums are there? 4 sums are there. I have completed the 3 sums. The second question is the homework. Okay guys, exponent powers, I have completed totally 2 parts. Remaining only 1 part will be discussed next session. So if you do the practice, remaining sum at home. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video.